What's going on, everybody? This is Jay with Island Hopper TV. Today we're coming to you from Florence, Italy, also known as Firenze, in the Tuscany region, the birthplace of the Italian Renaissance and former capital of the Kingdom of Italy. Situated on the banks of the Arno River, Florence is famous Italians were born: Leonardo Da Vinci, Niccolo Machiavelli, Michaelangelo, the Medici family, Florence Nightingale, Galileo Galilei. While in Florence, there are many museums to check out, plenty of history, and Cathedral Duomo. In this video, we're going to do a virtual walking tour. If you enjoy videos like this, do subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Sit back, relax, and enjoy Firenze.
Welcome to Florence. Went over to the tower, the Michaelangelo statue.
Hallo, ich grüße Sie.
Hello. Alright, so I think the Michelangelo statue is left. On the way up to Michelangelo. Heck of a hike right there. Come here, hike that. Some burn on your quads. Stairs all the way up the top of this mountain. This view. And if you think it's easy, come do it. Show us how easy it is. Look at that. Tuscany's wine country. View. Staying away from stairs for a hot minute. Man, those are nothing. Look at that view. So, if you guys come to Florence, you've got to check out Michaelangelo, the Medici family, Machiavelli Way, Galileo's museum. There's a lot here. This is Firenze, Florence, Italy. It's real. It's worth it. There's this like town here, and then on the outskirts is grape vineyards for wine in Tuscany, because that's where this place is, in Tuscany. Come check it out.